Hi everyone, my video is about how to replace the pen tip of the Genius EasyPen i405x graphics tablet. When you buy the product, you have these three parts: the installation disc, the item, the pad itself, and the pen. You have to install the CD on your computer. This is the USB port, the one you'll be connecting into your computer USB port. To change or to install the battery of the pen, you have to twist. Then you have to install the battery inside. It uses one piece AAA battery. When installing, we have to make sure that we are following the correct polarity. Otherwise, our pen will not work. We have to return the cup and twist it tighter. This is the tip or the nib. In the box, we have an extra tip, and this silver thing like a ring is the nib remover. We have two extra tip. We have to keep this for the future use. The nib remover is the one we're using to pull up the nib in case your nib will run out after a while. Well, actually, this will last very long, so you can use this for a while. To remove the tip, just clip and pull it up. Now, to install the new one, just hold it, position in the center, then just push. And now we have the new nib or tip installed. Our nib are all new. I just did this for demonstration only. And make sure to keep safe this extra item for future use. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.